Hello everyone. The topic for today is polynomials. Let us recapitulate the terms related to it. A variable is denoted by a symbol, usually an alphabet that can take any real value. We commonly use letters to denote variables. A term is a combination of variables and constants. These are some examples of terms. Algebraic expressions are those which are combination of terms using mathematical operations. These are some examples of algebraic expressions. Coefficient. The numerical factor in the term of an algebraic expression is called coefficient. So 4 is the coefficient of this term, minus 17 is the coefficient of the second term, and 7 is the coefficient of the third term. Similarly, in an algebraic expression, the coefficient of the first term over here is 7 and the second term is minus 17. Polynomials. A polynomial is an algebraic expression which has whole numbers or non-negative integers as the exponents of the variable. Some examples of polynomials are as follows. In all of these, we see that the power of the variables are not fractions, neither are they negative integers. They are only positive integers. They can be 2, 3, 1, 4, or any other such power. But it should not be a fraction or a negative number. Some examples of non-polynomials are as follows. In the first case, actually, the power of y is negative 1. It can be written as 2x square y raised to the power negative 1. So it is not a polynomial. Here, x has a power of half, which is a fraction. So it is not a polynomial. Negative 2 in the third one, again, disqualifies it from being a polynomial. And the fourth example can be written as 2x raised to the power negative 1 minus 5 y raised to the power negative 1. So it is not a polynomial. Remember, whole number exponents should be a part of the polynomials and no fractions. So all polynomials are algebraic expressions, but all algebraic expressions are not polynomials. Here, in our chapter, we will be focusing on polynomials in one variable. This is a polynomial in variable x. We will be using only one variable as the focus of our chapter. 4x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2 is a polynomial in x. If the variable in the polynomial is x, we may denote the polynomial by p of x or q of x or r of x. Q of x is a polynomial as 9x minus 8. This means it is a polynomial only in x. R of y is a polynomial only in y. Classification of polynomials on the basis of number of terms. Monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Mono is a prefix representing 1. So it's a polynomial of one term. Bi is a prefix representing 2, so it's a polynomial with exactly 2 unlike terms. Tri is a prefix used to represent 3, so it is a polynomial with exactly 3 unlike terms. Some examples. In the first case, minus 5x cubed is a monomial because it has only one term. In the second case, 4x squared minus 5x is a binomial because it has two terms, and 3 in this case. Please understand, if you have to find out the number of terms, you must first simplify an expression. Had it been 4x squared minus 5x squared, then it would be simplified to minus x squared, so it would have been a monomial. That's all for today's lesson.